What's going on, guys? This is our GPU framework, graphics cards framework. Current gen graphics cards can hold about 12 to 24 gigabytes of VRAM. With our framework and our coding in our program, we can make it operate like it has 50 to 100 gigabytes worth of VRAM using our molecular physics theory and shrinking methods and stuff like that. Let's test it out. Let's show it first. Ooh, nice. Pause and copy the code down. Pause the video and copy the code down. Simple. No bloat coding. Our program is meant for upgrading, improving, and developing, and modifying, and expanding, and it's hardware ready. This is the Python project for beginner and advanced alike. Python programming, Python coding. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.